is the season for the yucky germs and the sniffles. And friends, I have an idea for you. I have an idea that's gonna cheer up anybody's day. I love to fill a jar and I love to use the jar as a gift. And so I have a small apothecary jar and I'm gonna fill it with all the things that you need to feel better, like chicken noodle soup. Everybody needs a little chicken noodle soup when they're feeling down. Emergency. Let's put several packets of that. I'm gonna add a little bit of the paper shred to the bottom. Let's put some Kleenexes in there. Of course, the cough drops. I'm just gonna kind of put those into the side and let them hang out wherever they go. Tylenol, Germ-X, a little bit more of paper shred. Look how fun this is. And some tea, because tea makes everyone feel better as well. But no gift is a gift without an adorable tag and a card. So I want to show you guys a really cute, bright, colorful card and tag that coordinate and that are so sweet and your friends and people are going to love. Let's start with the tag first. Now on to our Get Well card. Adorable. It sure would make me feel better. Listen, you can visit our website for a full supply list and step-by-step tutorial to make your very own.